Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate AI color palette in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add my video to the project. Okay, I'm going to match to media, and then if you want to enable the AI color palette, we need to go to the color menu here, and this is for the AI color palette feature, and then you're going to click on the circle button to activate this feature. Okay, like this, and then you're going to add palette. You can add it from your device. For example, I'm going to add from my device. I'm going to choose local file, and I'm going to I'm going to choose this palette. Click on open to add the palette to your project, and then you're going to click on generate. Okay, and then you're going to click on save and apply. Alright, and this is for the palette. If you want to add another palette, just click on add, and then I'm going to choose local file, and for example, I'm going to choose this palette. Okay, click on generate and click on save and apply. Alright, here I have two palette, and I'm going to apply this one. Okay, now the palette has been applied to my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to activate AI color palette in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!